This is a Hallicrafters HT40. Runs about 75 watts input on CW, which was the novice legal limit back in the day, 1960. And it runs CW and FM. No, it doesn't run FM. It runs PM. No, it doesn't run PM. It runs CW and AM. And that means you can only use this rig in the morning, because if it becomes PM, it doesn't run in the afternoon. It only has AM. Well, if you believe that, then you shouldn't be buying this rig. I have a 80 meter crystal in it. Now, there's only, as you can see, there's only 1 meter on here, but 80 meters happens to be the frequency that it's on. The antenna is 80 meters long if it's a full length antenna, the wavelength, but we only use half wavelength antennas, so it would be 40 meters long, or at about 120 feet, more or less. Now, the way you tune this up, you put it in the tune position and you maximize that. You sit the drive and you maximize it, which I pretty much have. Okay, and then I'm going to put the loading down here, and then you put it in the CW position and you tune for a dip. Now, this has nothing to do with you know, a party dip. It has to do with when the tank circuit, and now we don't put gas in the tank circuit, by the way. When the tank circuit becomes to resonance, that means it oscillates with minimum current. So I'm going to put it in the CW position, and I have a contester load up there for a load. It's a light bulb. We use that. Actually, it's called a dummy load. Same thing as a vertical. And if I increase this, and then I go back and I dip that a little more, and that's about the maximum right there. So it's tuned up for maximum power. And what does not come with this is the dummy load, the light bulb, or the meter, or the crystals. And I'm going to test it with a Argonne 57 microphone. You don't get that, but if you want to add $120 to what you're going to buy, then that's what you're going to do to get it. So I'm going to test it and see if it works. You may be able to hear an echo in the background because I have a vintage receiver tuned to it. So we'll put it, that's the CW position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can see it goes low frequencies, 1, 2, 3, 4, and high frequencies, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is both a male and a female transmitter. So males and females can be used on it. Remember, the mic is extra. Okay. Now, I'm not going to test the audio on any other frequency. I'm going to put a 40 meter crystal on it. This actually is a little bit out of the band. It's a little bit below 40 meters. It's around 6,900. And let's see if it works on 40 meters. Going to put it in the tune position. And let's put that there, and we're going to peak this up. Okay, and that's kind of peaked up. And I'm going to put this in the output position, and I'll put it in the CW position. Let's dip that, and we're going to raise this, and dip that, and raise that. Okay, and wow, it's really lit up there pretty good. Okay, and we can double the frequency of the crystal, and if you double the frequency of the crystal, in this case it's going to be a little bit below the 20 meter band. A little bit below the 20 meter band. I'm going to put this in the grid current position. And let's put this in 20. Okay, that's 20. That's 20 meters. That's the frequency. And I'll put this in tune. And I'm going to peak that up. Okay. And now I'm going to put this back to 0. And then we'll put it in the CW position. And I'm going to see if I can find there. That looks like we'll increase the power a little bit, and down it goes. There we go. And it's a little bit of a balancing act. Okay, and you tend to get less output as frequency goes up. I will try it on 15 meters. And this thing does go up to 6, but I'll try it on 15. That crystal, I don't know how good that crystal's going to be on 15 meters, but we'll give it a shot. Put it in the tune position. and there we go. I get a maximum there. Oh, do I have that in? Yeah, I have that in the tune position. And put this in RF output. Go to standby. I'll bring that down to 0. Go up to, let's see if we have any output. There we go. We got a little. Oh, we got quite a bit actually. Up on 15 meters. So that's 15 meters. I don't know if this crystal's ever going to go to 10, but we'll give it a shot. 10 meters. 10. So I'm going to put this in the grid position and put it in tune and peak that up. And it does peak up, but not very well. But then I don't think you're going to get a whole lot on 10 meters. So I'll put this down to 0, put this into the CW position, and I see the bulb lighting up a little bit, but not a whole lot. So the bulb is lighting up. You're not getting a whole lot into it. Let me see if I change the drive a little bit. That's about it. That crystal is really not made for this, so that's about it on 10 meters. So this is the Hallicrafters HT40 with an Argonne 57 mic. The mic is going to cost you at least as much as the transmitter, if not more. So if you're interested in it, you can buy it, or I can keep it.